Welcome to our game. Our game is called Among One, and the player is trapped alone within a spaceship, and there is something wrong with the engine room. So the player's goal is to go to the engine room and fix the engine to prevent the spaceship from failing. But to reach the engine room, the player needs to go through three rooms to get three keys to unlock the door to the fourth engine room. So so yeah, and then in the three rooms, there are different tasks for the player to complete. And by completing each room, the player will be awarded one key. And yeah, so I think now we are going to the first room after the menu.
Okay, so the first room is my room. There's a loading screen at the start, and there's a cursor that's in the shape of a hand. So there's something wrong with the electricity. So you need to click the red button to open the electricity room door. And there are switches, and they're random each time. So you gotta click on them to close it. Then the door is unlocked, so you click on the red button to open the door in the loading screen. And then when you hover over the electrical button, it makes that flashy thingy, and then you click on it. And then over here, you drag and drop the wires to fix the electricity. If you drop it on the wrong place, it just doesn't work. Click anywhere to continue, and then the next level.
Yeah, so this room, before you see what's happening in this room, you need to click on the red button to connect electricity to the light bulb. And and then the wire will like gradually turn from gray to white, meaning that there is electricity passing through the wire, and we can just wait a bit and wait when the electricity reaches the light bulb. Yeah, so when the electricity reaches the light bulb will light up, and then there will be kind of like a shine, and then the light bulb will emit light, and yeah, you light up the light bulb, and then now you can see what's happening in the room. So in this room, there's a camera, and then you need to capture UFO and get 150 points. And if you get 150 points, you will be awarded a key. And this camera has a changing lens, so you want to guarantee that the UFO is inside the black camera, but then if the UFO is outside the black camera but inside the yellow camera, you get 5 points deducted, and then you will need to get 150 points um, to get out of this room. So yeah, after you completed the task, you're rewarded with one key. So yeah, now we can move on to the final room.
The first thing I have here is an instruction screen which tells the user what to do. WASD to move, F to interact with items, a prompt will show up if you're close enough. Escape to close any menus that you've opened, and you are trying to get to the next room. So click anywhere to begin. As you can see, there's a character where you can use WASD to move around. So you want to go around the room to search for clues. For example, if you go up to the vault, there it will say locked, and you cannot interact with it. So for the vault, you have to collect the key. It will say F to pick up, and you press F, you will have a key, and then you can unlock the vault. So here's the first clue. It's a 3. So what you want to do is you want to go around the room finding multiple clues. For example, there's a cabin over here. You can press F to search, and it will show a T. So that's the second clue. As you can see on the table, there's an H, which is the third clue. And on the side, there's 3 screens, which if you press F to inspect, you can see parts of the fourth clue. If you go through all of them, you should see that it's a 5. Then once you found the 4 clues, you can type in the passcode. If you enter anything incorrect, then it will show incorrect. And if you enter the correct one, which is H35T, then you get to the engine room. So here's the ending screen.